Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Freetrade. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Freetrade is an independent, privately owned startup company that was founded by Adam Dodds. This company offers an award-winning, beginner-friendly investing application with over 1 million users, and all Freetrade accounts are covered by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme. Freetrade is a trading name of Freetrade Limited, which is a member firm of the London Stock Exchange and is authorized and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. As a client, you will have access to educational investment guides, updated market news, stock analysis, and more than 6,000 tradable instruments. This company offers self-invested personal pension accounts, individual savings accounts, and general investment accounts. There are also 3 ways you can invest in Freetrade. Freetrade offers more than 6,000 stocks, fractional shares, and ETFs. With this broker, you can easily invest in US, UK, and European shares commission-free, or earn a constant income and diversify your portfolio with expert-managed investment trusts. To view detailed contract specifications and find out more about the instruments you can trade with Freetrade, hover your cursor over the Stocks tab, or choose an instrument from the What We Offer menu. If you require any assistance, you can reach the Freetrade customer support team via social media or through their website. You can also request a callback or start an email conversation with them by submitting a web ticket from the website. Customer support is available 24 hours a day, and you will find direct contact details on the contact page. Before you contact customer support, we would recommend visiting their FAQ pages for helpful tips and to see if any of your questions have already been answered. If you need assistance with managing your account, using the platforms, or anything else, you can contact the support team at any time. If it is your first time investing, we recommend learning the basics of investments before you make any financial commitments. Freetrade provides plenty of educational guides and resources that you can use to learn all about investment concepts, important terminology, and market analysis. Before you open an account, head over to the Investment Guides page and read some of the articles to gain a basic understanding of how investing works. Once you've familiarized yourself with the basics, check out some of the market analytics tools and resources. You can use the basic plan for free, so all you need to do is download the application, open an account, and learn how to invest. We recommend developing your trading strategy and style before you open a real account. If you have more experience with investing, we recommend trying the Standard or Plus plans. These plans share many common features, but the plan you choose will depend on the return rates you want on your ISA. And if you are interested in opening an SIPP account, you should opt for the Plus plan. Alternatively, if you are not interested in stock trading, but you would like to save for your retirement or earn competitive rates on your savings, you could open an ISA or SIPP individually. Freetrade offers a beginner-friendly mobile application that can be downloaded for free. This application gives you access to more than 6,000 stocks and shares, along with live spreads and market sentiments for each instrument. You will also be able to set limit orders and stop losses to help you minimize risks. And once your account is funded, you can easily buy stocks and monitor live charts directly from your phone. To download Freetrade's application, open an account, click on the Get Application button and scan the QR code. When you join Freetrade, you can open a self-invested personal pension account, a stocks and shares individual savings account, and a general investment account. There are 3 types of plans for the investment account, which are the Basic Plan, Standard Plan, and the Plus Plan. All 3 accounts offer commission-free stock trading and can be used to trade US fractional shares. The Basic Plan is a free general investment account that is beginner-friendly and offers more than 1,500 stocks, shares, and ETFs. For less than $5 a month, you can use the Standard Investment Account for access to more than 6,000 US, UK, and EU stocks, as well as ETFs. With the Standard Plan, you can earn up to £2,000 on your uninvested funds. The Plus Plan has an ISA, or individual savings account, and a self-invested personal pension account. For less than $10 per month, you can earn up to 3% interest on uninvested cash, up to a maximum of £4,000, and you can trade thousands of instruments. The Freetrade SIPP is a tax-efficient pension savings account that you have full control over. If you have an existing pension savings account elsewhere, you can easily transfer and combine old pensions, or access your SIPP account by subscribing to the Plus Plan. This account was voted the best low-cost SIPP platform by the Investors Chronicle and received the highest rating for website and app accessibility, value for money, and customer service. To learn more about the accounts and trading conditions Freetrade offers, hover your cursor over the What We Offer tab and head over to the Account Types page. Creating an account with Freetrade will only take a few minutes, and creating an account is free. You can follow a few simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the Freetrade homepage, and then click on the Get App button. Next, download the application and create an account. After that, complete the online application form and verify your account. Next, you can log in to their client portal to start investing. Unfortunately, Freetrade does not currently offer a demo account at this time. However, you can explore their basic plan, which is free, if you are not currently looking to invest any capital or just to take a look at their product offering. Real accounts must be verified before you can make a deposit or withdrawal. In most cases, account verification will require you to submit documents and answer some questions. However, after that is done, you will have full access to all the account features. Once you have downloaded the Freetrade application, simply add your payment details and make your first deposit directly from your mobile phone. Deposit and withdrawal fees will depend on the payment method you choose, the country you live in, and the value of your transaction. In order to make a withdrawal, you can use any of the supported deposit methods available. Freetrade offers a great selection of investment articles and how-to guides that you can use to learn more about investing. These guides will help you understand more about long-term investments, building a portfolio, and choosing the right instruments. There are plenty of in-depth articles about using ISAs, SIPPs, and investment accounts. So if it is your first time investing, we highly recommend reading some of these guides before you invest any money. Freetrade also provides updated market analysis for EU and US stocks, so we recommend bookmarking these pages and checking them often to see what's driving the markets. With this broker, you can learn the basics of risk management, building a portfolio, and trading different stocks at your own pace. Using a basic plan is entirely free, So why not learn the basics of investing and refine your skills while you decide which stocks to add to your portfolio? Overall, Freetrade offers a beginner-friendly stock trading application that makes it super easy to build and diversify your investment portfolio. As a client, you will have access to plenty of educational guides and in-depth stock market analysis. Freetrade seems safe and reliable. However, opening an account is always done entirely at your own risk and discretion. Remember that trading has high levels of financial risks, and online markets are volatile. So be sure to trade responsibly and only trust the advice of a professional advisor. We highly recommend reading over the terms and conditions of trading with any broker before making any financial commitments. And that is our overview of Freetrade. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.